Welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we'll be covering on what System.io is and why do entrepreneurs and people love this SaaS product. Well, first of all, I kind of broke it down for you in a small little presentation, and then we'll come back to the actual website itself. The reason why people love System.io, it's beginner friendly. You don't need coding or designing experience. You can literally drag and drop elements to build a funnel, emails, and website. It's cost effective compared to using multiple tools that cost you hundreds per month. System.io has everything in one particular place, and it's very affordable in the industry. It's one of the most affordable products in the industry, and you can actually start for free to get used to the actual product. So you don't really have to commit a lot of money straight into the actual product itself, which can save you a lot of costs. It saves massive time. All your marketing tools talk to each other inside one system, so there's no integration costs, no tech headache, or you don't have to get in freelance start to integrate everything for you. It's literally done in one place, already built for you. It's built for automation. As we live in a society today that everything is to do with AI, with System.io, you're already ahead of the curve. Everything is automated. You can just build upon that. And the great thing is, as you start maybe as a one-man or one-woman band, as a solo creator or solopreneur, you can slowly grow your business, and System.io can actually grow with you. So you can start on the smallest package and eventually go all the way up to the highest package. And you can always drop down also if you need it. Let's just go to the website itself. This is the actual website, System.io. It's got what System.io is very easily explained. The features, the pricing, the blog, the testimonials, all the people that are in there. It's very simple. What you do is you put your email here and you can create a free account. And then you can actually see all the background stuff in here. But let's get started for free. Before I do that, let's just go to the pricing. Very simple. These are the different prices. You have the option to do monthly or annually. So if you do annually, it works out a bit cheaper because you get 2 months for free. But let's just go back to the monthly bit. It's what they call the freemium. So basically here you can get started and you get certain things included. So in the free, basically what you get is 2,000 contacts, unlimited email sent, email campaign 1, unlimited newsletters, and etc. API per minute is 30. And then you can create 3 sales funnels on the free one, custom A/B split. So you can only do that for one. So these are literally the things that you can do in your own time. Again, you have a payment processor, blog, a community, e-commerce, courses. You can all of that. You can even have an affiliate program on the free plan, and you get 24 hours, 24/7 support. So it's really integrated with Google Meet, Google Sheets, Zoom, SendGrid, ActiveCampaign. So all of those kind of separate stuff, like SaaS companies, already been integrated in most of the big companies. Just bear in mind, if you do send emails, even though this is the way you can host your contacts, if you send emails, this is one of the things that personally, when I was going through the process of signing up with System.io, I didn't understand this in the beginning. As I thought, oh, great, I can have 2,000 emails. I don't have to send them more emails straight away. So that is not 100% true. Yes, you can send 2,000 emails out. However, you need to buy a domain. This is the only thing that's cost you money. I'm on Namecheap at the moment, so you can go to any provider where you wish to do so. You don't have to buy a host. You need business email. You click on business email here, and first you buy yourself your actual domain name, and it's cheap. It's basically $2.98 per month. Works out to $2.98, the cheapest. So what you're doing is you're buying a mailbox where you can store your emails. So you can go for this one. This works out because I'm based in the UK, £53 for the whole year. So that is one thing that you need to buy, because you need to use this to integrate with System.io, and then you'll be able to send your emails through System.io and through your host your emails. So that's something you need to keep in mind. So yes, it is free. You can use all the other things, but when it comes to funnels and emails, that is something that you will definitely need to buy, and that's the only thing that's going to cost you money. That I kind of figured out myself. No one was kind of telling you that in the beginning, but don't want people to think, oh, it's free, and then when they want to send emails and they figure out they can't send emails. So that's something you need. And then obviously, once you hit the capacity of contacts or sales funnels, then you can step up to the next tier. But I wouldn't be too worried about that in the beginning. I would say focus on the free one and build that self up to the point where you can then obviously, as your business is growing, then you can skip to the next tier. Again, this is all free of charge in the beginning to use System.io. I'll leave a link inside the description where you can just sign up for free and you can try it out. And yeah, thank you very much and see you in the next video.